Yo, what's good guys? If you don't know me already, my name is Yona, Night Wisdom. I'm a Jamaican diver.
Don't pull up at 6 AM to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.
The last 6 weeks have been an absolute blast in Australia and New Zealand. Let's have a quick recap on what I got through the last 6 weeks. So, after what seemed like an absolute age of me being in Australia, I finally left, but I had to make a quick stop off in Dubai just to see my friends, chill out, enjoy the sunshine before I then go back home to England. Once I get back home, next up for me is the World Cup coming up in China, which will be at the start of June. As soon as I get back home, I'm going to get back into full training, get back to work, try and iron out the mistakes that I made on the Gold Coast. I've had a lot of time to kind of think back and reflect and work out what I can do to make myself better and how I can improve for next time. I've got the right ideas. I think they're going to mainly include nutrition, the way that I train, intensity that I train at, and also trying to work on my psychology, work on my mindset going into competition. And that's going to be an interesting journey to see how that works out, because when I look back to 2016, something that really helped me back then was using imagery in my diving. So for example, before my dive I would kind of sit on the poolside with my chamois, and there's a great picture of me from Sheffield in 2016 doing some imagery. I'd sit with my chamois over my eyes and just kind of imagine what the dive is supposed to feel like in the air. I'd also use it occasionally in training, but also just at home. Like for example, when I get in the shower, I'd literally just like close my eyes and think about the process of a dive and how the dive's supposed to feel. And that really helped me through 2016. Not saying it'll help me again right now, but I can find something else, find another way of helping myself through psychology to help myself improve in competition. And for me, I think that might be goal setting. So I'm gonna get to work on that, test it out, see if it works, see what helps. If it doesn't work, so be it. I've still got a year until the qualification even begins for the next Olympic Games. So that's what's next up for me. But whilst I'm here in Dubai, I'm obviously gonna have a great time and enjoy myself. But I'll try not to enjoy myself too much. Peace out. God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't.